Alright, a Hikoki nail gun. Don't often get these on now. We've sold quite a few of them, but luckily you don't get them on for repair too often. This is a 2019. Not switching on. Probably a battery too. Try my battery. Nope. Not switching on at all. Right. The battery's actually fine. It's fully charged. 20.5 volts. There should be no reason why that shouldn't work. There we no. Switched on for a second there. Right, because that came on for a second, there is something working. So this could be a connection problem. Right. Open her up and see. Doesn't look bad. Yeah, sure, there it is there. It's actually burnt the fuse. That's only a simple fix. So they have an actual 40 amp fuse built in. So if you draw too much current, just pop that fuse instead of blowing the board. So that's a simple enough one to fix. Just soldered on. Get the soldering gun. Unsolder that. Put on a new one. Actual fuses for these are nothing special. Anywhere that sells car parts, you're going to get a 40 amp fuse like that. Cheap and cheerful part, easy to come by. Try this again, just use his battery actually. There we go. Starting up. Go with that. Stick her back together. Give her a wee test out. Now, that should work. There we go. Let's give her a test out. Spot on. There you go. Your Hikoki gun will not switch on. Doesn't switch on. Only comes on for a second, or maybe shoots one nail and then shuts off again. If this board keeps going dark, especially if you've got a shake or a wiggle, check your fuse inside. Remember, there's a brushless machine, computer driven. Any interruption at all to the current going in, this loses power or contact for even a split second. That's going to shut down, switch off. You have to switch it back on again. If it's doing that, it's probably a loose connection, broken connection, or your wee 40 amp fuse inside. That's what you keep an eye out for. That's how to fix it. If whatever stops on you or pops. Like the content, lads, hit the like and follow at the bottom. Cheers.